Namaste and welcome to your 15-minute flow to take care of your spine, the foundation of our body. Gently placing one hand on your heart center and the other on the belly. And I invite you to gently close your eyes if you feel right. Taking a moment to center ourselves, to ground ourselves. Tuning into the breath. Connecting to your breath, setting a beautiful intention for your practice. Hands in Namaskara by your heart center. Bow your head down with enthusiasm for your practice. And gently inhale, open up that chest, curve the spine, and exhale, round the spine. Inhale to open. Exhale to close. 2. We're really taking care of your spine today. 3. Beautiful. With the breath. 4. 5. 6. Inhale to open. Exhale to close. 7. 8. Creating space here. 9. Last one. And 10. Beautiful. Inhale to center and exhale to twist. Left hand on your right knee. Look back. Give yourself a beautiful twist, releasing any tension in the lower back. Breathe. And inhale back to center as you exhale to the other side. Deep breathing here, conscious of your breath, to create more space within that region of the body. And inhale back to center. Exhale, right elbow on Mother Earth, going into a beautiful side stretch, opening up. As though there's a wall behind your back, open up those shoulders and breathe. Inhale to center and exhale like a beautiful river flowing to the other side. And once again breathe. Feel that elongation, that lengthening. Inhale to center. And exhale, let's make our way into a beautiful tabletop, one entire arm and a forearm, gliding into cat and cow. Inhale up and exhale, looking at your navel, Pithilasana and Murjariasana. Keep going, it's a dance for your spine here. 3, loosening up, beautiful. 4. Exhale. 5. 6. 7. 8. Almost there. 9. And 10. Lovely. Open up the knees slightly, toes together. Let's make beautiful rolls with your body, going front and back. Inhale front, exhale back. That's 3. 4, creating space in the lower back. And 5, switch the direction. For 5, 4, roll with it. 3, beautiful. 2, create that space. And 1, lovely. Open up those knees and relax into a wide-legged child's pose. Deeper release for the lower back. Just relax and feel that beautiful elongation in the spine. Inhale, coming into Bhujangasana, cobra. And exhale back where we were. Balasana. Lovely. Inhale for Bhujang. Relax the shoulders. Exhale. Inhale, squeeze the glutes, protect your spine. And exhale. Lovely. Inhale. Nice and gentle. There's no rush. Hold. Feel it. The lower back. Breathe. And relax. Back into your tabletop as you open up. Right hand lifts into a beautiful twist here. Let's make circles to create more space in the shoulders. Breathe. 3, 4, lovely. And 5. As you inhale up and exhale. When you're ready, thread the needle. Let's go for a beautiful stretch here, loosening up the spine furthermore. Release and relax. Breathe as deeply as you can. And very gently back into your tabletop. Let's go for the other side. 5 beautiful circles. 2, 3, 4 with the breath, and 5. Inhale to lift and exhale for thread the needle. Hold and relax. Feel that opening. Subtle energies able to flow freely through the body as we create space. Lovely. Inhale to center tabletop. And exhale, I invite you to walk your fingers away from you into Uttan Shishonasana, puppy pose. Beautiful lengthening here for your spine. You're going to feel it in the shoulders. Create space. Relax and breathe. Hips are elevated. And inhale to center. Exhale, sitting into Vajrasana for a moment. And just take a few counts here to twist, create space, loosen up, massaging the spine. Back to center. And very gently gliding into a diagonal version of our Balasana. Hands to your right. And breathe. You'll feel a deeper opening here and an extension for the spine. Relax. Enjoy the stretch. And gently walking your hands towards the left side this time. Beautiful. Keep breathing deeply. That's the key. And very gently lift your way back up. Beautiful. Gliding onto your belly. Let's do a beautiful stretch here for the spine. Into your scorpion pose. Inhale to lift your right leg and glide it to the left. Into a lovely stretch. Hands are into a T shape and you're really going to feel that deep twist. A lovely spinal massage and also the shoulders. Coming back to center. Other side. Prepare yourself. Lifting the left leg towards the right. And breathe. Relax. Feel the stretch. And gently releasing your posture. Cup your hands on Mother Earth as you lift your way up. Squeeze the glutes. And exhale, just strengthening your spine. Inhale to lift. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In, out, in, and out. Release and relax. Palms on Mother Earth, relax your feet. Just take a moment here. Breathe. Well done, yogi. And once you're comfortable, I'll meet you in a supine position on your back, gliding your knees in and making beautiful rolls with the knees with your palms on your knees, just releasing the lower back. Absolutely beautiful. And switch the direction once you're comfortable. Keep breathing, don't forget to breathe. We're just making more space here for your spine. And very gently, soles of the feet will both slide towards the right. You're hugging the knees in, making sure that they're nice and high into Jatara Parivartanasana, spinal twist. And look to the opposite side. Breathe. Just relax. A beautiful spinal twist. And gently dropping the knees to the other side. Relax. Feel that beautiful opening. Back to center, soles of the feet on Mother Earth. Take a moment with your hands in Namaskara above your head and inhale up, exhale down into your bridge, strengthening your back here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squeeze the glutes. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Just dropping the knees from side to side, releasing any tension in the spine. You should really feel much more comfortable with your spine now. We've really helped create space here. Inhale, knees up, and exhale, push it down at your own pace. Listen to your body. Connecting to your breath through the movements of the body. Relax. And finally, I invite you into Shansarovar Asana. Feet slightly apart, knees together. Chin is tucked in and palms on the belly. And just relax in this peaceful lake. A beautiful ocean of tranquility and serenity. Allow yourself a few moments of deep relaxation. I let you be for however much time you require. And I'll see you in the next practice, yogi. Beautiful. Namaste.